Work isn't just changing, it's accelerating. Every day, you're asked to deliver more with less and do it faster than ever before. And yet, you keep building. You keep designing. You keep imagining what's next. You stand alongside 300 million makers across the globe, representing more than $31 trillion of projected value. There is a movement across architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, media, and entertainment. A shift toward working together instead of apart. Toward workflows that feel intuitive, connected, seamless. And it's all happening now on the Autodesk platform. We've united design and make together in the cloud, powered by AI. Purpose-built to unify your data, your tools, and your teams, so your ideas can move effortlessly from concept to creation. No broken handoffs, no guesswork, just parallel collaboration, supported by AI that helps you work smarter, faster, and with greater confidence. With Forma for AECO, Fusion for manufacturing, and Flow for media and entertainment. Supporting how you want to work with the tools you choose. And through Autodesk Platform Services, you can tap into applications, plugins, and integrations that enrich your entire project ecosystem, all powered by APIs and MCPs. Because the world needs more of what you create. More homes, more infrastructure, more products, more stories on screen. This isn't just technology, it's the foundation for a new way of working. The question isn't whether the movement is coming, it's whether you'll be a part of it. The Autodesk platform lets design and make anything together.